Everyone, welcome to my channel Shri Ram Academy, a place to learn in simple and easy way. My this video is all about the interesting facts about some animals from smaller to bigger one. Along with the interesting facts, I am going to share you some facts or some features about those animals. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting the video, I want to say a few lines that please do like, share and subscribe my video, my channel, and please do support us. Okay, so let's get started with our video. तो फर्स्ट इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट जो है वो है टर्माइट्स के बारे में. उनका इम्पॉर्टेंट इन इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स ये है कि दीज आर सेड इज़ द लार्जेस्ट लिविंग इंसेक्ट्स. ओके, what are termites? They are social insects and raise their young ones as group. The total weight of all of the termites in the world is more than the weight of all the humans in the world. Termites colonies eat non-stop 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. They have wings that they shed once they have found a good place to build a nest. They are known as silent destroyers because of their ability to chew through wood flooring and even wallpaper undetected. There are about 2000 known termite species in the world. Termites never sleep. They build their colonies 24 hours a day, every day until they die. The largest termite colony ever recorded contained over 3 million of termites. Termites also use vibration to communicate with one another. Some varieties of termites species have been existed on earth forever for over 250 million years. Okay, next fact is about frogs that are smaller than our fingernails. Yes guys, there are tiny frogs. The two species Phytophthirium dicot and Phytophthirium verrucosa are not only the smallest frog discovered, they are also the smallest of a group of animals called tetrapods. What are tetrapods? Tetrapods are four-legged animals with backbones. These are so small that they seem to have hit the lower limit of body size for frogs and toads. Because of their tiny size, their fingers and toes are too small to allow much climbing. So they have found a niche on the forest floor where their tiny body size allows them to hide among leaf litter and moss. They are so small that females of both the species can have 2 eggs, limiting their ability to reproduce. Okay, this is all about tiny frog. Next, my facts is about cats. That cat ear have 32 muscles. Cat have 32 muscles in each of their outer ears. Those muscles give them the control to swivel and rotate their ears so that can hear in on the exact source of a noise. The muscles also allow her to rotate her ears on an impression of 180 degree. Cats have very strong sense of hearing, 5 times stronger. Okay, next fact is about hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are said that they weigh less than a penny. These are birds native to the America. They are the smallest of birds, most species measuring 7.5 to 13 centimeter in length. The smallest extant bird species is the 5 centimeter hummingbird, which weighs less than 2 gram. Their lifespan is about 3 to 5 years. Their speed is 79 km per hour, and their mass exists between 1.6 gram to 4.5 gram. The name hummingbird comes from the humming noise their wings make as they beat so fast. They are the only birds that can fly backwards. They have no sense of smell. The average weight of a hummingbird is less than a nickel. Okay. Next fact is about the world's oldest tortoise. Okay, which is as old as Queen Elizabeth. Okay. Jonathan is a cyclist giant tortoise around 187-year-old, oldest known animal in the world. He is living He is living and relaxing life on the remote island of St. Helen in the South Atlantic, where he has been since the late 1880s. Okay, next is about shrimps. Shrimps, it is said that shrimp's head is in its head. Okay. Large shrimp have only 7. One large shrimp has only 7 calories. They are excellent source of lean proteins. Shrimp's protein contain selenium as taxanthin, which are beneficial antioxidants. They provide vitamin B12 and low in carbohydrates and fats. Shrimps are all born male, then mature into females. A shrimp's heart is located in its head. If you are looking at a shrimp with its head on, the heart is located on the thorax right past its head. A shrimp is covered by a single exoskeleton. So some mistake the thorax for a part of its head. There are more than 2000 shrimp species. Average lifespan of a shrimp is 9 to 18 months. Many shrimps live for 1 to 2 years. A shrimp lifespan depends greatly on its habitat. Okay, next is about eagles. They said that eagles there are more than 60 different species of eagles. Okay, they are some of the largest birds. They have amazing eyesight and can detect prey up to 2 miles away. Their lifespan is 35 years. Weight varies with the species. Okay, eagles vary in size. One of the smallest species, the little eagle, is about 17.7 to 21.7 inch. It means 45 to 55 centimeter. Okay, stellar sea eagle is around 36 to 42 inch. Okay, in size, and wingspan can reach approx 72 to 96 inch, that is 2 to 2.5 meters. Okay, next is about penguins. Penguins used to be 6 feet tall. Penguins are said as a flightless bird. While other birds have wings for flying, penguins have adapted flippers to help them swim in the water. Large penguin populations can be found in countries such as New Zealand, Australia, Kyle, Argentina and South Africa. Penguins can drink seawater. They spend around half their time in water and the other half on land. The emperor penguin is the tallest of all the penguin species. Emperor penguin can stay underwater for around 20 minutes at a time. King penguins are the second largest penguin species. Little blue penguins are the smallest type of penguin, averaging around 33 centimeter, that is 13 inch in height. Okay, next is about fleas. That fleas are said as among the world's best jumper. These are the most prevalent parasite found on fur-bearing animals such as dogs, cats, rabbits, rats, mice, opossum. These are estimated 2000 species of fleas worldwide. The cat flea is the most common domestic flea. Other kinds of fleas include dog fleas, human fleas and rat fleas. They are small, wingless, flat insects with 3 pairs of legs. Okay, adult fleas have about 1/8 of an inch long. Okay, 1 to 3 mm long होते हैं. Dark reddish brown in color. Okay, these are like this. Next is about the ants. Yes, that all the ants on the earth weigh about as much as all the humans. Ants have superhuman strength. They are strong. They have the ability to carry between 10 and 50 times their own body weight. The amount an ant can carry depends on the species. The imaging strength is a result of their small size. Ants don't have lungs. They breathe in oxygen through spiracle, which are a series of holes located on the sides of their body. The spiracles are connected through a network of tubes which help distribute the oxygen to almost every cell in their body. Ants' movements help the oxygen to circulate through the tubes. Ants don't have ears, they use vibrations to hear. Ants have two stomachs, one in for holding food for their own consumption and the second one is to hold food to be shared with the other ants. This process is known as trophallaxic. Okay, trophallaxics. They are believed to be as old as dinosaurs. Okay, next, cats have more than 100 vocal sounds while dogs only have about 10. Okay, next is about goldfish. Okay, goldfish. That common goldfish is the only animal that can see both infrared and ultraviolet light. Goldfish, it is a freshwater fish. It is one of the most commonly kept aquarium fish. They are native to East Asia. They are omnivorous. Average lifespan in captivity is 41 years. Size varies between 4.7 to 16.1 inches. When they are kept as pets in small fish tanks and aquarium, goldfish tends to stay about 1 to 2 inches long and never grow larger than 6 inches. In the wild, goldfish often reach 12 to 14 inches in length. Their weight ranges between 0.2 to 0.6 pounds. Okay. Next is about our starfishes. That starfish don't have brain. There are 2000 species of sea stars. They can regenerate their arms if injured by a predator. They do not have blood. Instead of blood, they have a circulatory system made up primarily of seawater. Sea stars eat with their stomachs inside out. They have eyes. They have eye spot at the end of each arm. This means 5-armed sea star have 5 eyes, while the 40-armed sun star has 40 eyes. Next fact is about armadillos, opossum and sloths spend about 80% of their lives sleeping. Now we will talk about some features about armadillos. Armadillos, these are New World placenta mammals. Their lifespan exists between 12 to 15 years. Their height is around 15 to 25 centimeter. Their daily sleeps about 18 hours. Their length ranges between 9 to 100 centimeter and their mass is about 2.5 to 33 kilogram. Okay. Next is about opossums. They are the only marsupial. They live alone and are only active at night. They are relative of kangaroo. Opossums are much slower and produce a nauseating smell when threatened. Color white or grey. They have 4 legs. Their shape long and pointed face होता है उनके पास. Size ranges between 14 inches in length, generally the size of a house cat. Region found in eastern and central and west coast regions of the US. Next about sloths. These are the group of arboreal neotropical xenanthron mammals constituting the suborder Folivera. Noted for slowness of movement, they spend most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of the tropical rainforest of South America and Central America. Their length ranges between 42 to 80 centimeter and their mass ranges between 2.2 to 10 kilogram. Next is about the ears of a cricket are located on the front legs just below the knees. Okay. Next fact is about blue whale. That blue whale can produce sound up to 188 decibel, which is the loudest sound produced by a living animal and has been detected as far away as 530 miles. Blue whale scientific name is Balaenoptera musculus. These are endangered species. Lifespan exists between 80 to 90 years. Their weight weigh more than 1,30,000 kilogram and body size 30 meter long. They are carnivorous in diet and their habitat is in oceans. These are the largest animal to have ever lived on earth. Blue whale can grow over 30 meter long and weigh more than 1,30,000 kilogram. That's longer than 3 buses and heavier than 3 lorries. Everything about the blue whale is massive. Its tongue weighs as much as an elephant. Its heart is the size of a car and its blood vessels are so wide that you could swim through them. These blue-gray giants have a long streamlined body, a wide head, huge flippers, a powerful tail, and a small dorsal fin. Some individuals have a yellowy colored underside, giving rise to the nickname sulfur bottom whales. Okay, to communicate with each other, blue whales make a series of super loud vocal sounds. Their calls are the loudest of any creature on the planet, in fact, and can be heard underwater for hundreds of kilometers. Next fact is about the Stegosaurus dinosaurs, that they measured up to 30 feet long but had a brain the size of a walnut. Okay, in Greek, stegos means roof and saurus means lizard. It is a herbivorous thyreophorans dinosaur, lived 160.5 million years ago and speed 7 km per hour maximum. Eats cycad and moss. Eaten by Allosaurus and Pterosaurus. It is the most famous dinosaur form of a group of dinosaurs known as Stegosaurus. They were all herbivorous plant eaters and featured rows of unique bones that developed into plates and spines along their back and tail. Stegosaurus fossils have been found in western North America and more recently in Portugal. In terms of size, the Stegosaurus was large and heavily built. On average, a fully grown Stegosaurus was around 9 meters 30 feet in length, 4 meters 14 feet in height, and up to nearly 5 metric tons in weight. Although the Stegosaurus body was large, the size of their brain was only around the size of a dog's. Researchers believe that due to the nature of the Stegosaurus legs, they had a maximum speed of around 7 km per hour. Okay. The 17 plates found on the back of the Stegosaurus arose from the skin rather than being attached to the skeleton. The largest plates have been around 16 cm 2 feet tall and 60 cm 2 feet wide. Okay, the Stegosaurus also featured tall spikes that reach around 60 cm 2 feet to 90 cm 3 feet in length. Okay, next is about the giant amphibian called giant salamander. Okay, in this the world's largest amphibian is giant salamanders. It can up to be 5 feet in length. The largest amphibians giant salamander, fully aquatic and is endemic to Rocky Mountain streams and lakes. It is considered critically endangered due to the habitat loss and pollution. Average adult salamander weight 25 to 30 kg and is 1 to 115 cm, around 3.77 feet in length. It can reach up to 50 kg in weight and 180 cm, that is 5 to 9 feet in length. Okay, it looks like this. Next is about fleas. That fleas can jump 130 higher than their height. In human terms, that is equivalent to 6 foot person jumping 780 feet into the air. Okay. Next is about snakes. That snakes are said as the true carnivores because they eat only other animals and do not eat any type of vegetation. Okay. Next is about rats. That rats breed so quickly that in just 18 months 2 rats could have created over 1 million relatives. So huge. Okay, next is about giant Arctic jellyfish. Okay, we are going to talk about giant Arctic jellyfish, that it has tentacles that can reach over 36 centimeter in length. Okay, it is also known as hair jelly. It is one of the largest known species of jellyfish. Its range is confined to cold boreal waters of the Arctic, Northern Atlantic and Northern Pacific Oceans. It can grow up to 120 feet long. It comes in a variety of colors. Large individuals are often red or purple, while smaller specimens tends to be shades of tannish orange. They can reproduce asexually and sexually. They have up to 1200 tentacles. These are arranged in 8 sets that contain between 70 and 150 individuals tentacles a piece. Okay, it eats and expels waste through the same orifice. They have a very special opening designed to perform double duty as both mouth and as anus. Lifespan is about 12 months and diameter 50 meter in lower altitudes. Okay, next is about locusts. That locusts have leg muscles that are about 1000 times more powerful than an equal weight of a human muscles. Okay, these are the collection of certain species of short horned grasshoppers that have a Sneering face. These insects are usually solitary, but under certain circumstances they become more abundant and change their behavior and habitats, becoming gregarious. Okay, next is about sharks. Yes, we are going to know the interesting facts about the shark, that instead of bone, sharks have a skeleton made from cartilage. Okay, there are more than 400 types of sharks in the world's oceans. Shark belongs to a family of fish that have skeleton made of cartilage, a tissue more flexible and lighter than bone. The sharks have three main fins, the dorsal on the back and the two pectoral fin on the sides. Two-thirds of a shark brain is dedicated to its sense of smell. Some captive female sharks have been known to reproduce without the aid of a male, essentially cloning themselves. Lifespan is about 20 to 30 years in the wild and speed 50 km per hour. Now next we are going to talk about rhinoceros. That horn of a rhinoceros is made from compacted hair rather than bone or another substance. Okay, a rhinoceros is one of any 5 extant species of odd-toed ungulates. Their mass of white rhinoceros, it is about 2300 kg, black 800 to 1400 kg, and Indian rhinoceros weighs 2200 kg. Lifespan: white 40 to 50 years, black 35 to 50 years, and Indian 35 to 45 years. Speed of white rhinoceros 50 km per hour, black rhinoceros 55 km per hour, Indian 55 km per hour. Height: white 1.7 to 1.9 meter, black 1.3 to 1.8 meter, Indian 1.6 to 1.9 meter. And their gestation period: for white it is 16 to 18 months, for black 15 to 16 months, and Indian 15 to 16 months. Rhinos spend their days and nights grazing and only sleep during the hottest parts of the day. For all its bulk, the rhino is very agile and can quickly turn in a small space. Relative to their large body size, rhinoceros have a small brains. Rhinos have fantastic hearing and a great sense of smell, but have terrible eyesight. Yes guys, बड़ी शरीर है लेकिन इनकी आई साइट बहुत ही टेरिबल होती है. Okay, next we are going to talk about ostriches. That ostriches are very old birds. They are present on the earth at least 120 million years ago. This is all about the my video. आज का वीडियो मैं यहीं एंड कर रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑल द इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स आई हैव डिस्कस विद यू. आई होप आपको पसंद आए हो. प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा चैनल को. टिल देन बाय.